G'day all, welcome to Photography Rides. Today I'll be doing a review on this HWK Textile jacket. This jacket I've been using for about a month now. I found this jacket very comfortable to wear. It has these two side vents for ventilation. You can zip out and makes it nice and breathable. On the arms and cuffs and even on the waist is fully adjustable. Inside is the thermal layer, which is removable, so if it's too hot you can take it out, or when it starts raining you can put it in. It's waterproof. And it'll also keep you warm when it gets too cold. It also has a good back protector and shoulders and elbow pads. The quality of this jacket is awesome. It's unreal for the price that you get it at. You can get it off at Amazon for something like $100. And 5 different types that you can choose from. I really like this jacket. It's right par with the Alpine Star jacket I used to have. In fact, I can't fault it in any way. One good thing about this is it's like a third of the price, and the quality is brilliant. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, smash that like button, really help out this channel, and have a great day.